I'm going to give a total of 5 accounts as a giveaway from Blue Guardian. 2 for X Performance, that means you have to browse my X handle AlgoFX Pro. The username is AlgoFX_Pro. Here you will get 2x 5k. All the instructions written here. Just follow this and join the giveaway to get a 5k account. And another is 3x 10k. I am giving 3 10k accounts to 3 traders. So total 5. These 3 for this YouTube video. For that you have to watch the entire video and I will throw some clues in some positions of this video. You have to write down the clues in the comment. Also you have to be subscriber of this channel and like the video. Then I will select 3 traders to give 3 10k accounts. So watch the video till the end with full concern. Figure out all the clues, win a 10k account. So let's start the video. This video is just for education purpose. Hey traders, welcome back to this new video. Today in this video, I will explain all about the 5k instant funded starter model, complete rules, trading objects, and how you can trade and withdraw profit from this 5k instant funded account, which price is just $10. If you click on the evaluation, click on instant and click on starter, you will see the price is $10. You will get a 5k instant funded account. Daily loss limit $150, which is 3%, and overall loss limit $250, which is 5%. Profit split 90%. That means you can keep the 90% of your generated profit from this 5k instant funded account. Also, if you check their standard models, the prices are industry cheapest as well. You can see the main difference between instant standard model or starter model is the consistency rules and the payout limits, nothing else. So this is a golden opportunity to get a 5k instant funded with $10, and I will explain the process how you can withdraw from this instant funded model. First of all, I will explain the terms and conditions and trading rules of this model. For that, you have to go to the FAQ section, then rules, after that instant, then click on starter. Here you can see all the FAQs here with the terms and conditions, trading objects, and all your queries. Let's check one by one. Does instant funding starter have any limitation? Instant funding starter is available to new and existing customers. However, they have limit instant funding starter to single use per trader. That means you can take one account once. After that, you will never be able to purchase this account again. You can only purchase one instant funded starter account. So that's it. Minimum and maximum trading days. They have a minimum trading days of 5 days on all phases, during which you must achieve at least 0.5% profit. Those days do not have to be consecutive. Let's say you have a 5k instant funded account and today you made 0.5% profit, that means $25, and the day will be counted as a profitable day, and next day you lose $50 or $25, and day after tomorrow you make $25 profit again, then the individual day will be counted as a profitable day. That means you are completed 2 profitable days. There will be never affected by the losing day. ES are allowed. What is the maximum capital allowed? They allow up to 5k instant funded account on their starter model, and if you want to bigger amount up to 400k, you may go with their standard model. Is the drawdown trailing? Yes, the instant funded drawdowns are trailing, standard and starter both. What is the Guardian Shield? This is their special feature. If your all the position are in loss floating 1%, then all the trades will be closed automatically. If it's happened 2 times, your account will be breached. 3% is the daily drawdown, 5% is the maximum drawdown. Both are trailing. Maximum capital is allowed in starter model is 5k, and the standard model is up to 400k. Leverage is for FX 1:30, indices 1:10, commodities 1:10, crypto 1:2. Overnight and over the weekend holding is allowed. There is no restriction. Is news trading allowed? Yes, news trading is allowed with instant funding starter model. Do you allow hedging martingale and no stop loss? Yes, there is no restriction. How does drawdown affect payouts? As this is a trailing drawdown, you have to keep in mind that once you withdraw your profit, your withdrawal should not hit the daily drawdown. If you request your withdraw which exit limit your daily drawdown, then the account will be breached after the first payout. This is for standard model, but at the starter model, you can withdraw only once. Yes, this is an one-time withdrawal account. The profit split is 90%. Consistency rules, you have to maintain the 15% consistency rules. That means if you make a total profit of $100, then your highest profitable day should not be greater than $50. If you make $200 a total profit, your highest day profit should not be greater than $30. So keep in mind that there is a holding time rule. Your each and every trade must be hold at least 2 minutes. Less than this, the profit will be not counted. But if SL hit under 2 minutes, there will be no issue. Only once you make a profit, it should be greater than 2 minutes. Otherwise, the profit will be removed from your total profit. Those are the main trading conditions and objects of 5K instant funding starter model, which you can get just for $10. And also, if you are new to Blue Guardian, you will get a 50% flat off at any challenges. They have instant funding, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and crypto. And all are industry cheapest and high quality funded models where you can get a 5K 3 step funded challenge only for $16, which is an insane offer. And 2 step 5K challenge only for $19. I can say this is the industry cheapest and high quality prop firm. You will never get this kind of low price at any prop firms who never rejects any payouts and do not apply any tricks to fail the trader. Their trading environment is very good, and this is my permanent prop firm. I am going with this prop firm for my max allocation. They never rejects any payout with any silly reasons. And now April offer is going on up to 40% off, 200% refund with the code of April. And also I have a special code I will attach in the video description for the max discount. If you are interested, please go to my video description and check it out yourself. Also, they are very fast in regard to payout. I have made a video on my channel on the instant funding payout. I got payout in just 4 hours. Here you can see the video. You can get payout through crypto rise as well. There are many options. So if you want to know more about the instant funded starter model, or if you have any questions about this, please leave a comment. I will reply everyone. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.